Welcome back to my daily grind, create yourself. That's what it's all about. One day, one step in the right direction. I'm Chris and I'm only here to show you if I can do it, then you can do it as well. It is Monday. This is going to be a short recap. Yesterday after the training I didn't drive home. I drove to my girl. Wow, I can't pronounce this word whatsoever. What the heck? And immediately after we woke up, we watched the Game of Thrones season finale. Oh god, it was so good. It was so amazing. This was the perfect setup. The next season, the last season, oh my god, it's going to go down. And other than that, I moved on a tiny step in the direction of my Amazon shop. What I just did was getting me a credit card, and I have to wait for that. So yeah, that's it for today. I will see you tomorrow.